What's up guys, and welcome to a new kind of hairstyle. It's a first at least for the BluMaan channel, and today we've got Billy getting a haircut from one of the best around, Jordan from Mr. Male Grooming based in Manchester. Billy does some modeling and acting, so I've got his Instagram linked below, along with Jordan the barber, so feel free to check him out. Now, I wanted to bring something different today. I get requests for some thin hairstyle tips, and since I don't have thin hair myself, it can be a challenge to visualize an option that could work, and this is where Billy comes in. As you can tell, he likes to wear his hair forward. It looks cool with the platinum color, but it also helps to make his hair appear a little thicker. This is going to be further enhanced by getting it shortened a little bit, but for now, we're cleaning up the sides. For the sides, Billy wanted to go really short, and doing this can actually help to emphasize his hair on top. If you naturally have thicker sides and back than you do on top, you can help to reverse these rolls by trimming your back and sides super short. Another reason why this works is because we're not going for volume on top, simply texture. So going very short on the sides is a good look. As you can tell, there's quite a lot of length happening up top, and if your hair is thin to begin with, too much length can sometimes make your hair look even thinner. So Jordan is going to reduce the length on top and cut some texture into the fringe so it's long enough to be worn forward, but not so long that it appears kind of scraggly. And now Jordan is blow drying in order to see how Billy's hair will sit naturally. It's almost time for one of my favorite bits, working on the details. At this point, we're just making sure the look is coming together. Cutting hair when wet can be great for the start, but touching up on dry hair really helps to complete the look. If you do have thin hair, Monarch Matte Paste will be your best friend. It's creamy and smooth, so you won't have sensitivity problems, and it's lightweight but with good hold to really get that texture coming through. Apply a bit of this with the completed haircut, and Billy is good to go.